Hello kids, how are you all? I hope that all are fit and fine at home. Okay, I am taking your GK subject. It's for the standard 6 English medium section there. Okay, now we are on the chapter number 37, cricket mania. Okay, cricket mania. Okay, who is interested in cricket? Okay, but there is some place. Okay, there is some place means the ground or stadium. Okay, we can say stadium. There is a place of cricket. Okay, the players they play this game. Okay, there is a name of some stadium which is located in whole our country. Okay, India. So there is some specific name of them and where it is located. Okay, then the first, here is the match. Okay, but I write the answer here also, so you can do match at home in your book. Okay, now the cricket mania, the chapter number 37, the name of its cricket mania. Okay, the match with A with B. Okay, and you can write the number also. Okay, you can match with just like A, B, C, D, E. Okay, now the first is the name of the stadium, Eden Garden. Okay, the first is the Eden Garden. Where it is located? It is located in Kolkata, India. Okay, where it is located? The Eden Garden is located Kolkata in India. And the second, Lords. The second stadium name is Lords. Where it is? It is located in London. Okay, it is the name of cricket mania. It is the stadium name of the whole world. Okay, it's related to whole world. Okay, now the Lords. Where it is Lords? It is in London. Okay, London. So the stadium Lords located in London. The 3 number Wankhede. Okay, the 3 number Wankhede. Where it is located? So Wankhede, it is in our India country and it is in Mumbai. Where it is? It is in Mumbai. Okay. So Wankhede Stadium is located in Mumbai in India. Okay. Then the 4th number, Melbourne. Okay, Melbourne. Where it is Melbourne? The Melbourne Stadium is located in Australia. Where it is? It is located in Australia. Then the Melbourne Stadium is located in Australia. Okay, the one of the country. The 5 number, the Firoz Shah Kotla. Firoz Shah Kotla. It is the name of this stadium, the Firoz Shah Kotla. Where it is located? It is located in New Delhi. Okay, the New Delhi, which is also in India. Okay, so the Firoz Shah Kotla, it is located in New Delhi. It is in India. Okay, then the 6th number, Premadasa. Premadasa. It is the name of the stadium. Okay, where it is located? The Premadasa is located in Sri Lanka. Where it is? It is in Sri Lanka. Okay. The 7th name number, the Wanderers. The Wanderers. Wanderers. Where is it? Where is it? Okay, it is in South Africa. The Wanderers is located in South Africa. Okay. Then the 8th number, Chepauk. Okay, 8th number, Chepauk. Where is the Chepauk Stadium? It is in Chennai. Where it is? It is in Chennai. Okay, it is also in India. Okay. Now we repeat this. Okay. The Eden Garden. The first name is the Eden Garden. Where it is Eden Garden? Eden Garden is located in Kolkata. It is in India country. The second number, Lords. Where is Lords? Lords is located in London. Where it is? It is in London. The 3 number, Wankhede. Wankhede. Where it is? It is in Mumbai city, which is located in India country. Okay. So Wankhede located in Mumbai, India. The 4 number, Melbourne. Okay, Melbourne. Where is Melbourne Stadium? The Melbourne Stadium, it is in Australia. Where it is? It is in Australia. The 5 number, the Firuz Shah Kotla. The Firuz Shah Kotla Stadium. Where it is? It is in New Delhi, India. Where it is? It is in New Delhi, India. Okay. And the 6th number, the Premadasa. Where the Premadasa Stadium? The Premadasa Stadium. Where it is? It is in Sri Lanka. Where is it? It is in Sri Lanka. Okay. The 7 number, Wanderers. Okay. The 7 number, Wanderers. Where is the Wanderers? It is in South Africa. Where is it? It is in South Africa. The 8 number, Chippa. Okay. 8 number, Chippa. Where it is? It is in Chennai. Where it is? It is in Chennai. Okay. So now it is over this chapter, Cricket Mania. We learn about the stadium, where it is located, in which country, and which place. Okay. So this chapter 37 Cricket Mania is over. Okay, then we are on the next chapter. Okay, chapter number 38, Amazing Animals. Okay, Amazing Animals, and it is for the standard 6 in English medium section there, and the subject is the GK. Okay, subject is the GK. So there is amazing animals. Okay, amazing animals. So amazing animals, which is there is one of the amazing animals. Okay, so it's different for their some specialities. So it's amazing animals. Okay, now we are on the first, enormous reptile. Enormous reptile can measure more than 22 feet. Okay, enormous reptile can measure more than 22 feet. That is twice the length of an average car. Okay, the length of it's measured more than 22 feet. Okay, it's a measure to the 22 feet. Okay, and that is twice a length of an average car. Okay, if you put twice a car, 2 car, then put 1 and second. So it's the length of it's 22 feet. Okay, the name of its so what is the name of its? It's the Indo-Pacific crocodile. Okay, the name of this animal is Indo-Pacific crocodile. Okay, enormous reptile can measure more than 22. Enormous reptile can measure more than 22 feet. That is twice the length of an average car. That is twice the length of an average car. Okay, it is a Indo-Pacific crocodile. What is it? It's the Indo-Pacific crocodile. The second number, related to horse and the rhinoceros. Related to horse and rhinoceros. This animal has short leg. This animal has a short leg and a short flexible trunk. There is a short flexible trunk also, and the short leg also related to horse, like related to horse and the rhinoceros. With this animal has short legs and a short flexible trunk. Okay, the name of its, what is the name of its? It's a tapir. Okay, what's the name of it? It's a tapir. Okay, then we are on the 3 number. Types of antelope. Types of antelope that can run faster than a greyhound. Okay, the types of antelope which is look like an antelope that can run faster a greyhound. Okay, which is run faster a greyhound. It's graceful, upward sweeping horns look like a lamb. Okay, it's a graceful, upward sweeping horns look like a lamb. Look like a lamb. So the name of it's a gazelle. The name of it's a gazelle. Okay. So the types of antelope that can run faster than greyhound. It's a graceful, upward, sweeping horns look like a lion. The name of it's a gazelle. Okay, the name of it's a gazelle. Okay, then we are on the 4 number. It has the biggest heart and also has the highest blood. Okay, this animal has a biggest heart, very big heart, and also has the highest blood pressure. The blood pressure of this animal is a very high. So the name of it's the longest animal. Okay, the name of it's a giraffe. Okay, what is the name of it? It is a giraffe. The 5 number, one can detect low frequency pulses even from a distance of 5,000 miles away. Okay, one can detect low frequency. It is a detect low frequency pulses even from a distance of 500 miles away. This animal, which is the far away from the 500 miles away. Okay, but they can detect the low frequency pulses. Okay, they can detect the low frequency pulses. Okay, the name of it's a elephant. What is the name of it? It's a elephant. Then the 6th number. This rodent builds dams by using tree branches, twigs, etc. Okay, the 6th number. This rodent builds dams by using tree branches, twigs, etc. The name of it's a beware. What is the name of it? The name of it's a beware. Okay. Then the 7th number. A cat. Okay. A cat like a carnivore found in Africa. Okay, which is found in Africa, and it's the only female mammal. It's the only female mammal that can temporarily change its sex. Okay, they can temporarily change its sex. So the name of its, okay, the name of its Kosa. What is the name of its? The name of its Kosa. Okay, then we can repeat this chapter. Okay, again. The first, an enormous reptile can measure more than 22 feet, and that is twice the length of an average car. The name of it's Indo-Pacific crocodile. Okay, what's the name of Indo-Pacific crocodile? Then the second, related to horse and rhinoceros, this animal has short legs and a short flexible trunk. Okay, related to horse and rhinoceros, this animal has short legs and a short flexible trunk. The name of it's tapir. The 3 types of antelope that can run faster than a greyhound. It's a graceful, upward like a lion. Look like a lion. The name of it's a gazelle. The name of it's a gazelle. Okay. Then we are on the 4 number. Then we are on the 4 number. The name 4 number. It has the biggest heart. It has the biggest heart and also has a highest blood pressure. Okay, also has a highest blood pressure. The name of it's a giraffe. Okay, the name of it's a giraffe. Then the 5 number. One can detect low frequency pulses even from a distance of 500 miles away. Okay, one can detect low frequency pulses even from a distance of 500 miles away. Okay, the name of it's elephant. Okay, the name of it's elephant. The 6th number. This rodent builds them by using the tree branches, twine, etc. Okay, this rodent builds a dams by using tree branches, twigs, etc. The name of it's beaver. Okay, the name of it's beaver. The 7th number. A cat like a carnivore found in Africa. It only female mammal. It only female mammal that can temporarily change its sex. Okay, that can temporarily change its sex. The name of it's Hosa. Okay, the name of it's Hosa. Okay, so now the chapter number 37 and 38. The chapter number 37 Cricket Mania and the 38 Amazing Animal both are complete. Okay, thank you.